System files corrupted by the User Interface Automation Core Resources DLL failure? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support engineer, and I have the verified steps to repair your Windows installation immediately. Before we get started with User Interface Automation Core Resources, you may want to try the diagnostic path below to ensure your system is properly synchronized. This is the User Interface Automation Core Resources, the localized resource library for the Windows UI automation framework. It houses the text strings and icons for accessibility tools, like Narrator. If corrupted, third-party screen readers will display blank error codes or display a UI with missing labels. Now that the background is clear, let's walk through the actual installation steps. This issue involves a protected Windows DLL that requires official restoration. Start an elevated command prompt session and run SFC Scan now so that Windows can automatically validate and replace files like User Interface Automation Core Resources. When a standard reinstall doesn't cut it, we move to advanced diagnostic steps to ensure the system is properly configured. A standard reboot clears out temporary memory conflicts and gives the Windows loader another chance to properly register the User Interface Automation Core Resources component during startup. Before you restart, bookmark this video or hit the like button. It makes it much easier to find this tutorial in your history so you can pick up exactly where we left off. With the restart confirmed as ineffective for this instance, let's analyze the registry settings next. If you need to pause the video while navigating the registry editor, feel free. Rebooting didn't re-establish the interface link, so we'll use a specific command to register the component. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, type regsvr32, followed by your file name causing the error, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, these files rely on a specific pointer in the registry. If the system cannot locate that reference, the file will fail to load even if it is physically present on the drive. To protect your system architecture, I have a few recommendations regarding file authenticity. Technical warning: many online file mirrors provide versions of User Interface Automation Core Resources DLL that are either corrupted or intentionally modified, putting your privacy at risk without resolving the underlying execution error. To help keep your environment stable and prevent recurring errors, consider an automated maintenance utility for your system. The repair utility linked in the description provides structured information on managing User Interface Automation Core Resources and system health. I'm Sophie Chen, and I appreciate you watching. If this guide helped User Interface Automation Core Resources workflow, please subscribe for more professional troubleshooting and tech advice.